Guys, in this video, we'll be actually building out an AI agent. So the whole concept of this video is not to show you how to build an AI agent, but the concept or the whole point of this video is to help you to set up WhatsApp with n8n. So in this video, we'll be going with in detail on how to get the credentials and how to connect WhatsApp in order to work to n8n. So if this sounds interesting, let's get started with the video. So the first thing that we need here are, let's say, I mean, if you are implementing or if you are connecting WhatsApp with n8n, so here you need to consider two things. So the trigger that you have to use whenever, I mean, the trigger here is going to be whenever you send a message on WhatsApp, the workflow is going to be activated. So that's the trigger of the workflow. And the next thing that you'll be using is sending out a message from n8n to WhatsApp, right? Like the reply. So in that case, you have to use a different credential. So if you are getting confused, don't worry, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So if you just get into a new n8n workflow, you'll be having something like this, right? So just click on add a first step and search for WhatsApp. You'll have WhatsApp Business Cloud and just choose the trigger as on messages. So what this is going to do is whenever you send out a message on WhatsApp, the workflow is going to be activated. So we need to connect WhatsApp with our n8n, right? So for that we need the credentials. So just click on select credential and just click on create new credential. So here we need two details. One is the client ID and the other is the client secret. So let me just show you now how to get these. So in order to get these, you need to have a Meta Business Suite account created. So this is like pretty straightforward. You can go ahead and create that. So once you have created it, you can just come over to the Meta Business Suite. Here you need to create a business portfolio. For me, I have created one. So if you don't have a business portfolio, like I mean, you just have to give out a name and you just have to connect your social media account. That's it. So once that is done, you just have to come over to the settings here. So just click on settings. So it's now asking me for the verification code. Just a second, I'll enter that. So I have now entered the verification code. I'll just click on confirm. So now this is going to take me to the settings of the Meta Business Suite. Okay, now we are actually in the settings. So just come over here to apps and just click on add a new app. Here you'll be prompted with three things. If you don't see them or if you see these are disabled on your site, what you can do is you can verify your Meta Business Suite account with your mobile number, or if it did not work out, what you can do is you can just try to link out your credit card, so that would fix the problem. So once you do that, you'll be having this particular pop-up. So just click on create a new app ID. So this is going to take you to a new page where it's going to ask you for some basic details. So I'll be just giving out as a test n8n. So you just have to give out your email ID, like the business email or the contact email, and click on next. Here you have to choose the use case. You can go ahead and choose it as connect with customers through WhatsApp. So this is the thing that we are looking for, right? So that's something you can choose. And here you can choose out the business profile that you have created previously. In my case, I have all these. So you can just go ahead and choose out the one. You'll be only having the one that you have created. So just go ahead and choose that out and click on next. And again, click on next and just click on go to dashboard. So it's asking me for the password. I'll just click on submit. Now this should take me to the next page where I can go ahead and set up my WhatsApp credentials. So the next page that you'll be coming to is this particular page. So once you are here, just go to app settings and just click on basic. Okay, so once you are in the basic page, so you'll have the app ID and the app secret. So I'll just copy the app ID and I'll go back to my n8n and I'll just paste it out here, which is in the client ID section. And I'll do the same for the app secret as well. So I have pasted the client ID and the client secret. I'll now just click on save. So as you can see, now the connection is tested successfully, which means we can now send messages from WhatsApp and n8n is able to get those messages. So that's the thing that we have implemented now. And if I just go back, and the next thing that we have to add here is going to be the AI agent, right? So I'll just keep it to, I'll just, as of now, I'm doing it. I will change it later. So this is just for the testing purpose. So what I'll do now is, so we have connected it, right? So I'll just choose a chat model Maybe I'll choose it from open router, I guess. I have already connected that out. So where is okay, so we have the open router here. Okay, yeah. I'll be going with GPT 4.1 mini. That's fine. And the next thing here is so after we get the response from the agent, the next thing that we have to do is we have to send out the message again in WhatsApp, right? So just search for WhatsApp again, and here you'll have the option to send a message. Now you have to connect a new credential. So just click on credential and just click on create new credential. And now we'll choose it as like we'll just name it as send messages so that we won't get confused. Now, as you can see, the details that are being asked here are completely different than the ones that is asked previously. So in order to get these details, come back to the Meta Business Suite or the Meta app dashboard. Just go to dashboard here, and here in the app customization and requirements, you'll have this option like the first option, which is customize the connect with customers through WhatsApp use case. Just click on that. So now you'll be coming to this particular page. Just click on API setup and just click on continue. So now we are in this particular page. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to add in the from mobile number. As of now, we'll just go with the test mobile number. And once you're in the production, make sure you add your own business number or the real business number. And the next thing that you have to do is you just have to add your own mobile number that you are testing that out. So I'll just do that now. Okay, now I have added my mobile number as well. So what I'll now do is I'll just click on generate access token. So now this is going to ask me for some confirmations, and then after that it's going to create a confirmation like the access token. I'll just continue, and I'll just go with the first option, which would be for everything. So, and I'll just click save. So now I have the access token. I'll just copy this and I'll go back to the n8n workflow. I'll just paste it out here. And the next thing is the business account ID, right? So just go back to the platform again. Here you'll have the business ID. Just copy that, paste that out, and just click on save. This is now going to connect it successfully. And if we go back, so you'll be able to see the test number that you can actually send message from. As you can see, we got that now. So the registered recipient's mobile number has to be the one that you have given in the website. And as of now, I'll just keep the message body as hello. So later, once we have the output, we'll try to customize that out. And so what I'll do now is I'll just go ahead and copy out the mobile number that we have to test it out from. Okay, I now have the WhatsApp ready with me. So what I'll do is I'll just click on execute the workflow, and I'll go back to the WhatsApp account and I'll just try to send out a hello message. I mean, we'll be getting some errors now. We'll fix them once we have all of them. So we got the response. So now we'll try to go ahead and fix all the things that we need to. So the first thing that we have to fix here is the prompt message. So you have to update the prompt with the body that you are getting from the user. So that's done. And the next thing that you have to update here is you have to update the body that you are going to send to the user, which is the AI output. So if I go ahead and execute the flow once again, and if I go ahead and send out the same message, now you'll be getting the exact message from the AI model. So which is how can I assist you today? And if I go ahead and activate this particular workflow, I don't have to go ahead and manually click on this execute workflow every time. So maybe who are you? And the response is also going to be pretty quick because we are using a model from OpenAI, which is a 4.1 mini. So the mini models are faster when they are responding. So this is how it is. So that's it for the video. So if you want this particular template, just comment down below. I'll try to attach that in the description or something like that. And so that's it for the video. I hope you found this video helpful. So the concept or the core idea of this video is to help you understand how to set up the WhatsApp in n8n. So as we have two different credentials that we need in order to receive the message and send the message. So I just want to put this video out. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you find it helpful, just give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.